Welcome to the StatTree video module for biserial correlation. To test whether there is a relationship between a continuous variable and a categorical variable, the biserial correlation would be appropriate. You will need one continuous variable and one categorical variable in order to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, age would be an appropriate continuous variable, and era of movie would be an appropriate categorical variable for this test. Once you have uploaded or imported the dataset into SAS Studio, you will need to create a temporary reference to that dataset in the libraries. A link to a video demonstration of that procedure is in StatTree Help. With the PEVS dataset open in SAS, you would choose age as the first variable in the pair and era as the second variable in the pair. To run the biserial correlation test for association, create a new SAS program window by pressing the Create icon under Server Files and Folders and selecting SAS Program F4. In the code box, type in the following code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. Select the code. Now press the Run icon. SAS will generate an output in a results window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is the significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report on your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criterion. Here is your test result. You would report this figure as well as the sample size next to n. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.